Sir Loran, very much interested ako sa Metrobank. Actually, matagal na akong nag-follow sa'yo since Axie days pa, no? So, dati guys, naglalaro tayo ng mga NFT games kasi. So, ito, follower natin. And anyways, ask ko lang po how to get on board with stocks, especially Metrobank. Thanks and good luck. So, yun guys, marami nagtatanong sa mga comments, no, sa videos natin from YouTube, TikTok, and sa Facebook, no, kung paano nga mag-start. Kasi nga, of course, they want their money, no, to be invested and at the same time earn more money. So yun guys, no, again, Metrobank generates around 6 to 7%, no, per year, no. So actually, it's not mandatory, but historically naman they consistently give dividends, no, to their shareholders, and one of the top banks here in the Philippines. So if you want to invest, guys, you just have to open an account to any stockbroker sa Pilipinas, licensed, no. So make sure they are licensed, no, under SEC. They have the legal requirements to be brokers, no. So what are kumbaga sino ba yung mga top brokers, no? So we have COL Financial, type nyo lang sa Google yan, or search nyo lang, no, or kay ChatGPT rin, tanong nyo lang din sino yung mga legal stock brokers natin sa Pilipinas. So again, COL Financial, one of the biggest, yun yung gamit ko. And we have others, no? We have BPI Trade, no, BDO Nomura, may mga First Metro din for Metrobank. We have also Dragonfly, no, MyTrade. So yun yung mga sikat, no, ng mga top online stockbroker. So you just have to need IDs. Kailangan nyo lang valid IDs, no, government IDs. And of course, bank account kung saan nyo i-deposit yung inyong mga, if ever, no, ibenta nyo yung shares nyo or gusto nyo i-cash out yung dividends nyo. So kailangan din ng bank account for them to deposit your proceeds, no. So yun lang guys, ganun lang kadali. So again, search nyo lang yan, top online broker. So I don't recommend, kumbaga, I'm not affiliated with anyone, no. So yun lang, open lang kayo na account. And again, always do your own research pa rin, due diligence, no. And again, what you place here sa stock market, of course, dapat somehow you have also set aside na emergency fund, no, 3 to 6 months of your living expenses. Dapat nasa savings yan or time deposit na easily accessible, no, para pag in case of emergencies, hindi mo gagalawin yung stock market mo kasi very volatile yung stock market, eh. But again, in the long run naman, historically, tumataas naman yung stock market ng Pilipinas. But ngayon, medyo no, sideways kasi nga because of the problems, no, sa corruption, etc. Siyempre, sentiments ng mga investors medyo mababa. But again, this is opportunities for us, no. Pag yun nga, when you make money, the stock market is may mga crisis na ganito, no. So just have to be consistent, no, invest in the long run, have the solid financial foundation like emergency fund, no, and healthcare, 'di ba? Importante yan, insurance, etc.